This video will show you how to use the controls on the left-hand side of the steering wheel to operate the audio system, the telephone, and the instrument panel message center. Use the Mode button to scroll through all audio sources. Once you've made your selection, it appears in the message center. When listening to the radio, use the up and down arrows to adjust the volume. Briefly press the left and right arrows to search the new stations by frequency. When listening to a media device, once again, you can adjust the volume using the up and down arrows. A brief press of the right arrow skips to the next track, and the left arrow skips play back to the previous track. You can use the steering wheel controls to operate the phone system of your vehicle when a phone is paired. To do this, press the steering wheel phone button. Scroll through the menus displayed on the screen and select the number you require from the list. You'll see the selected number in the message center. During the call, you can adjust the volume using the up and down arrows. To end the call, press the phone button again. You can change a number of vehicle features and settings through the instrument panel menu. Some of these features are not available when the engine is running. Press the menu button to access the menu and scroll through the features list using the up and down arrows. To select the chosen feature, press OK. You can now view the feature options. Scroll through these using the up and down arrows again and press OK to select. If you want to return to the previous menu, press the left arrow button. For further information about this feature, or any other feature, please refer to your owner's handbook. For help or assistance, please contact your Jaguar Land Rover retailer, who will be more than happy to assist you.